Hello, everybody in Virginia. This is a recently renovated one-bed, one-bath apartment, about 650 square feet, located on the first floor in the heart of Ocean View for only $12.50 a month. The tenant is responsible for their own utilities, provide pest control if ever needed, T-Mobile 2 GB Wi-Fi, Ring camera access. The kitchen features quartz countertops, tons of storage, stainless steel appliances, a fridge that makes 3 different types of ice, a dishwasher, stove, and a microwave. The walls are painted in a North Star and satin finish by Sherwin-Williams, and pet friendly. I allow up to 2 pets in the apartment, subject to approval and a pet policy. I allow cats and dogs up to 30 pounds. There are brief restrictions due to my homeowner's insurance, and the deposit is $350 per pet, and it's $25 a month pet rent per pet. Renter's insurance is required if you have pets. I am Rosemary. I'm the owner of the property, and I'm an owner agent.